Hello Miss Snow, welcome to my vlog 11. I'll talk about what have I learned in last week's lesson. The first thing I learned is about collaborative learning. What is collaborative learning? Collaborative learning is basically learning where learners actively construct their knowledge through peer-to-peer communication. During collaborative learning, there's a lot of discussions involved in groups. Uh, like we do this often in class. Like for example, we would get into groups and then we'll discuss about presentation. Each of us contribute ideas. Sometimes we get ideas that we have never thought of from our other group members, and together we create a product rich with information. Next is about the second thing I learned in last week's lesson is about participatory culture. Participatory culture, it talks about how last time we were very passive consumers of technology. We just take whatever we want online, but we don't contribute. But nowadays, with the theory of participatory culture says that we can actively contribute online too. As Henry Jenkins mentioned, there are 5 characteristics of participatory culture. First is there are low engagement barriers, which means that there are not many restrictions for you to engage online. Secondly, there's strong support for sharing and creation of content with others. Okay, you can easily post and you can share content with others. Next is informal mentorship. You can learn from things posted by anyone or sources posted by anyone. And next we have members. Okay, each of the members in the participatory culture believe that their contribution matters, and therefore they will value their own effort in contributing online. And finally is that the people that post online would care about what are the opinion of others on themselves and on their work. Okay, and a final word from Henry Jenkins is that in participatory culture, not every member must contribute, but however, they must believe that they are free to contribute when they are ready, and feel that their work will be valued. The third thing I learned in class is about participatory media. So participatory media is basically the technologies that will allow people to contribute online. Web 2.0 tools are mostly serves this function. Here's some example of Web 2.0 tools, which is the read and write web, blogs, wikis, videos, and so on. Okay, so participatory media basically allows collaborative learning to take place online too. And the second, okay, secondly, the second thing I'll talk about is the thing or things that I'm unsure of last week's lesson. So far I have no question about last week's lesson, but if I have, I will ask to you. Okay, and then thirdly, I'll talk about how would last week's lesson help me in my future teaching and learning. First is that I will know the importance of collaborative learning, okay, especially how important it is to make children actively construct knowledge and understanding, okay, by interacting with their peers. So therefore I would encourage it in my classroom. Okay, and next is that I'll be aware that students should be a part of this in the internet's participatory culture, and therefore that I should encourage them to contribute online too, rather than just being passive consumers of technology. And then finally, the last week's lesson will help me know what are the tools to encourage and to make students collaborate online, okay, such as Web 1.0 tools. Maybe perhaps like I mentioned earlier, blogs, videos and wikis. So that's all for vlog 11. Thank you.